What's up everyone, Nightmare here. Today we are going to be picking this challenge lock by Rabbipicker. It's called AA. We're going to be using our top of the keyway 1mm tensioner and a deep and medium hook. I've been trying out this barred set recently from Moki, and these are my first Moki picks and they're super nice. Really been enjoying picking with them. Just because of the way the keyway is set up here, we're going to be using this like kind of deeper end because the short end doesn't fit super well in there. Yeah, let's give it a go. Switch to the old medium. Back to the deep. Okay, there we go. That was a really cool pick. Oops. All right, let's go ahead and get this guy gutted. Move this out of the way. Switch to the old gutting setup. I've been trying to do my videos with the more zoom lately. You can kind of see what's going on a little better. So let's go ahead. I have not taken this guy apart yet. Oh, we can already see some of the cool pin work in the back there. Lock it back up. Let's grab my C-clip remover was on the ground. Took me a second to find it. Try to get this off without damaging it. It's in like that awkward position. So what I do, put the key in. So we can just pull it off like this. There we go. Nice. Just dog hair everywhere. Okay. Let's. Oh, what the heck? Oh my god, I thought these were like channels that the pins could like get stuck in. It's just kind of like a skeletonized core. That was a jump scare at first. Okay. It's a nice little 5-pin. Looks like some nice core modifications. Sweet. Let's start with one. Ooh, a nice torpedo. Two. Looking like another nice torpedo. Oh, this one's tiny. Some awesome pin work. Oh, might just be all torpedoes. Oh, that's cool. It's got like a cut in the bottom. It's kind of a standard. With a little bit of serrations in it. And then last but not least, looking like another torpedo. Very cool pin work. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Some very nice milling on the inside there. Looks like threading. That makes sense, especially in chamber 3 where we're getting a bunch of like, tiny little clicks as we moved up through. So that looks like it for the core. Zoom back in. So this guy over here. Start at the front. Sorry, I don't know why my camera's being like this. There we go. Very nice. nice. Ooh, a very nice looking gin. Kind of a gin spool-like. Nice kind of taper with threads almost. Oh, and then a little taper at the end there. It's okay, that spring doesn't want to come out. Get it out at the end. Very cool, spool looking guy in 5. And last but not least, another gin spool looking guy. One spring does not want to come out. There we go. Oh, I see. It's kind of like cut off on the end there. Very, very cool challenge lock. Thank you for sending this my way. Oh, here's the key for anyone that was curious. Lows in the back, a little high on 2, mid lift on 1. Very cool lock, a very fun pick. Get a close up on those pins. Yeah, awesome work, Rabbi. That was very fun to pick. Thank you for sending this my way, as well as the Magnum Pacific. I think we are definitely gonna get that one ranked here soon. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you again, Rabbi, for sending this my way. See you guys in the next one.